BLDC MCU application high-speed hair dryer solution.
Why use a high-speed dryer?
Use a strong wind to take the moisture out of the hair and avoid damaging the hair with high temperature. Mega Wing MDRFD0. It supports 100,000 to 120,000 RPM high-speed motor. The speed is related to the hardware limit of the motor itself.
Will the high-speed wind be noisy?
In addition to the hardware mechanism to reduce noise, the motor control method is also related to noise. The MDRFD0 uses Sine-Wave control, which can reduce the noise and sharpness of the motor, compared to square wave control.
How difficult and safe is it to operate?
There is 2 buttons with 2 speeds and 3 temperature controls. The MDRFD0 is equipped with over-under voltage, no load over current, over temperature protection mechanism. High-speed hair dryer solution demo video. High-speed hair dryer solution block diagram. To be continued.